morning, guys. Today is Friday and I have a dog trying to lick my face. Yes, good morning to you too. It's actually like, oh my god. It's like 11:30 or something. I don't know, but I just got up not that long ago. Gotta get up. I'm gonna go get me some breakfast, probably Panera. Been wanting that for a few days. And then I have to go to the store because I'm baking cookies and I'm missing 2 of the ingredients on the recipe, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah, kind of an exciting day, kind of not. I don't know. It's a lot more than I did yesterday. Yesterday I stayed home all day. So I just got done getting ready and I just did just a bit of makeup, just quick makeup, just so I don't look super dead today. And then here's my outfit. It is cute little short overalls with, there's actually a tank bodysuit and then just little like sandals. So before I go, I have to feed my animals because I have 2 of them. I have a little cat, I have a little dog. Yes, right? So I gotta feed them, give them some water before I leave, and then I'm just gonna go feed myself and get some food because I am starving. Well, I'm heading out now, and I live in apartments and I live on the 2nd floor, so I gotta climb all these stairs to get down. Yeah, it is like such a nice day today. Like the past few days it's been like so like cloudy and sad looking, but it's so sunny today and so warm. I think I'm gonna take my dog Sophia. I think I'm gonna take her to the dog park today later, probably around like 3 or 4 when it's like not that hot, and I just realized I'm not even in the frame, only like half my face is. Yeah, it's my first time vlogging, so it's a little weird for me. Definitely a new experience. So yeah, just walking to my car. So interesting. And then I'm just gonna head to Panera to get me some lunch. I guess it would be now since it's like noon. So I made it to Panera, finally got some gas. So now I'm like, I won't live without gas. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go get me some food now because I'm so hungry. Okay. Well, I just got done eating and now I'm like so full. So now I'm heading to Walmart probably because I gotta buy some ingredients to make cookies, and then I also want to get like a phone holder because I film my videos on my phone and I kind of need like something to hold it up because I've been doing like makeshift like holders, so I want to get me like a proper one, so make my life a little easier. Then I'm just gonna go back to my apartment, probably bake some cookies, take my dog to the dog park. Yeah, so I guess now off to Walmart. So I just got home and I found this like camera like tripod thing at Walmart, so I got it. I'm gonna try that out, see how well it works. Oh my god, so my dog always gets really excited when I get home, and so does my cat, and right now she's like chewing on my shoe and trying to get my attention. Yes, hello. Yes, hi. I know you're excited. I know. So I'm baking cookies now. Here's the batter. Oh yes. Oh, amazing. Ooh. I tried to record myself preparing them because I wanted to upload it as a video, but I really did not like how it was going. I need to get like a standing tripod that I can put on the floor, or I just need someone here with me to help me film. But I will show y'all how they turn out. but they're in the oven right now, so I think they still have like 5 more minutes before the first batch comes out, so I'm hoping that they actually come out good. I finished baking cookies. I made like 4 dozen cookies, so now I have a whole bunch of cookies. And I'm done baking, so I am gonna get ready to take my dog to the dog park so she can run around for a bit and so she can get really tired and so she can just sleep. She has so much energy. Slow down. Wait. Yeah, she is not the best when it comes to being on a leash. She just likes to pull. Yeah. I've been trying to train her, but she doesn't like to listen to me. Sophia, stop. Sophia. Okay, so I have her strapped into her cute little dog car seat, and we're gonna go to the park for a bit. Well, I was hoping it wouldn't be as hot because it's a little later, but it's still pretty hot, but I guess it's not too bad. Guess we'll see how going to the park goes. Are you excited? Are you excited for the park? Oh my god, you have to stay in your seat. Yes, okay. Well, we made it to the dog park and she's really excited, but I have to unhook her little car seat thing. Oh my god. Will you wait a second? I know you're excited, but wait. Okay, come on. I swear with you, you stuck. Come on. Oh my god. Wait. Do not start barking at people. Oh my god, I swear. Okay, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go park. You are like tangled in your leash. Wait, wait. So, oh my god. Come on. You are so crazy. Yes, yes, we're going. Wait, come here. Let me take your leash off. Are you peeing on your leash? Oh my god, you're peeing on your leash. Oh. Kind of sad there's no other dogs here for her to run around with. Hopefully she still has fun. There's dogs in the bigger dog park. There's none in the tiny one that can run around with her. So she's just gonna have to run by herself. Oh, more dogs showed up. Yay! Now she can have little playmates. She loves other dogs. Such a good thing. She loves to run around with them. Oh. Friends. Yes, you made friends. So we're home now from the park. We were there for a good like hour and she had fun. She got to run around, which is good. Hopefully she gets to sleep now. And picked myself up some food from KFC. So I'm just gonna eat now and then watch some YouTube videos. Probably then edit this vlog. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go eat now and just chill. It's like super late already and I am just now editing the vlog that I have been filming today, and I still have to wash off my makeup. So I'm just gonna say goodnight now because I'm gonna edit, wash my face, then go to sleep. So good night guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, my fingers are red because I was eating hot Cheetos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.